Meet the 25.6 volts 50Ah LiFePO4 battery. Powerful, versatile, and ready for your 24-volt systems. We divide our presentation into 4 sections. Part 1, Introduction. This advanced battery is perfect for solar, marine, RV, and industrial use. It weighs 50% less than lead-acid batteries and offers over 4,000 cycles. With a lifespan 5 times longer, it operates from -20 degrees Celsius to +60 degrees Celsius and is protected by an integrated BMS for safety. The battery supports fast charging, minimizing downtime. Part 2, Technical specifications. With a nominal voltage of 25.6 volts and 50Ah capacity, it provides 1,280 watt-hours of energy. It's a true Group 24 size, weighing just 11.8 kilograms. It charges efficiently between 28.8 volts and 29.2 volts. Supports 508 continuous and 1008 peak discharge and is maintenance-free. Part 3, Applications. Ideal for off-grid solar and wind energy storage. It ensures stable power and long-term reliability. It powers marine electronics and RV appliances, and supports industrial equipment and electric vehicles, like golf carts and e-scooters. Part 4, Benefits of upgrading. Upgrade to LiFePO4 for a 10-year lifespan. Reducing replacements and costs, it's eco-friendly, with no toxic materials. Enjoy instant savings on fuel and charging, and hassle-free plug-and-play installation. Upgrade to LiFePO4 today and enjoy reliable, maintenance-free power.